Okay, so worksheet 5. And this is a section on proportions. Okay, and what's it doing in a stats class? I don't know, except it says that we have to do proportions on the course outline of record, which is what it's doing here. Anyway, so if I have to spend $4 for 8 cans of soup, how much am I going to have to spend for 12 cans? Well, the common sense way is, okay, let's see, if it's $4 for 8 cans, that's $2 for 4 cans, that's $1 for 2 cans. Okay, that's 50 cents per can. And I'm going to buy 12 cans, and they're 50 cents each. That's going to be $6. Okay, that's the count it off in your fingers method, which works great when the numbers work out like that. But the point of this section is to kind of do cross multiply. Okay, if I've got fraction equals fraction, which is what I got 4 over 8, $4 over 8 cans. I've got x over 12. Well, dollars is the thing I don't know. It's got to match up. The $4 got to match up with the x dollars. The cans has got to match up with the cans. I can't put 12 over x. As long as I got fraction equals fraction, I can cross multiply. You can cross multiply across an equal sign. 4 times 12, 48. And 8 times x, 8x. Okay, so that's cross multiply. Cross and write that down, cross, write that down. They still got an equal sign between them. And then if I divide by 8, I get that x is 6, which is great. I figured that out a long time ago. It was $6. The advantage to this is I could do it when the numbers are weird. Okay, so if I've got 3.5 gallons for 30 square feet, then how much for 80 square feet? It's got to go down where it's got to match up square feet and square feet, so the x has got to go here. Okay, now cross multiply. 3.5 times 80. 3 times 3 is 280. $30 times x, 30x. Then 280 divided by 30, that's like 9.3. Same thing here. I got the 1.5 dozen and the 4 dozen. Those are both my denominators. My numerator is the one that's different, is the cups. 1.75 goes with 1.5. And dozens got to go down here with dozens, so it's going to have to go there. And x goes there. So 4 times 1.75, 4 times 1.75 is 7. And 4 times 1.75 is 7. And 1.5 times x is 1.5x. Okay, if I divide that out, 7 divided by 1.5 is 4.6 repeating. So 4 2/3 cups of sugar. Hippos. 12.4 hippos per square mile. How much in 23 square miles? Well, maybe this is one you could have reasoned out, but the thing that really is confusing when you read it is there's only 2 numbers and I'm supposed to have 3. Okay, it's because it's 12.4 hippos per 1 square mile. They said just per square mile, but they meant per 1. 12.4 goes with 1, and x goes with 22.3. So 12.4 times 22.3 is 276.52. I'd probably call that 277, just because they're hippos. There's no way to have a 0.52 of a hippo. So 277 hippos. Now this one has an A and a B, but the left-hand fraction is the same both times. 2.3 goes with 750 residents. Watt number goes with 39,401 residents. Okay, so 2.3 times 39,401 is 90,600 90,622.3. And that matches up with 750x. So divide by the 750, that's 120.83 miles of cable. But the other one, the 103 million, 2.3 over 750 equals x over 103 million. I got to put in all the zeros. It didn't say them, but they're millions, so I got to. 2.3 times 103 million is 236 million. 236,900,000. 900,000. Okay, this is not readable because the numbers are just so huge. There's no way to put them on the paper. 236,900,000 equals 750x. Divide both sides by 750. I get 315,866 with the repeating 6. Okay, so it's proportion. Doesn't have a lot to do with stats class, but it's on the course outline and record, so we've done it. Basically, proportion, things just end up cross multiplying.